morning. It's a brisk.
It's not cold, but it's windy.
It's windy. It's a very brisk morning here in Ilfracombe. So
there's bell tolling.
there's a bell tolling. We've been here before. We've had a good walk about before.
This way, Mrs.
But this is like beginning of 2022. So we are going to we're going to go and have a good look around. And I have a new toy that I've not used. I have a very long pole that I've not used.
Oh, you won't believe how much he itches to say things like that.
So we're going to take some footage and see what we get. Right. Come join us in Ilfracombe, which looks like it's all closed, but there you go.
That's right, it's nice.
It's nice, it's pretty lovely.
I think it was all closed when we came last time because it was
a Sunday.
lockdown.
Yeah, Sunday and a lockdown. And we got some VW stuff. We got some VW stuff. No, Winnie's just doing a.
Oh no, Winnie, leave that.
No. Right.
I put on a long lead today.
Yeah.
Because well, I don't know if you're interested, but our little girl's coming to season, isn't she?
Yes.
So she's not a baby anymore.
No.
So anyway, I was hoping to let her off the lead, but I don't think we should today.
No, not going to do that.
Oh, Winnie.
Right. Back in a mo. Wow. Well, I've just tried to take some footage with the
big poly thing.
The big 360 camera.
And as always, an injury has
occurred. I thought I'd done the pole up tight enough, which obviously I hadn't. and it's come down and sliced my finger open. So I think anything to do with aerial shots with me is possibly a no-go. And I don't know if you can see, but look at the weather over there.
We're gonna go down lower.
We're going down Lisa, going down lower, because Lisa's having hood problems as well, aren't you?
Well, I don't know.
And it's just started to rain now.
Winnie's having a lovely time.
Yeah.
She's not getting a bit tangled up with her lead, but...
And it's raining. There's some really nice houses in bloody Ilfracombe.
Bloody
Bloody Ilfracombe. Well, bloody Ilfracombe because my finger's bloody. We're going to go and have a look at Verity. We're going to have a look at Verity.
Shall we?
Yeah, see if I can get some aerial shots of her. And see if I can slice my finger off. I don't know. Right, it's raining now. Well, it's bloody windy, if nothing else. What say you?
Yeah, the weather has changed somewhat.
Yeah.
It was still last night, and I took Winnie for a walk, well not a walk, but out for sort of wee breaks, didn't I, at 6 o'clock this morning.
Yeah.
And it was as still as anything. But
well, we honestly thought that we were going to get some brilliant footage. We're going to walk up here.
no, it's too windy. I don't want to go up there.
You don't want to go up to the top of the chapel?
No.
Okay. Yeah,
You
it's.
can. I'll wait for you down here.
No, you're okay. It is. Oh, she's trying to do something. It just is ridiculously windy, and we were hoping to get some footage further up. We have got some, and I've got to try and edit it out using some software I've never used before. And
We're here tomorrow.
yeah,
Well, why don't you go to get to Lundy then?
we might be able to.
Is that on a boat out?
No, it's closed till the March, end of March. Yeah, so we're just sort of bimbling about today. It's cold, it's overcast, it's windy.
This is our relaxation.
And this is, yeah, we're just relaxing after
look
it.
at that place up there with all the glass.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look. I reckon that's worth a few quid, didn't you?
Sorry. Winnie, stand
going
still.
somewhere? Oh,
Winnie.
Winnie. No, I've got Winnie. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. So there you go. Right. I don't know what we're going to do. It is bitterly cold, and I've made a that I didn't really want to drive anywhere or do anything other than just say remain in Ilfracombe.
I'm quite happy.
Yeah. So we're going to have a walk down a bit further, see what we can find.
It's a bit more sheltered here. I mean,
Yeah.
It's really windy on that peninsula bit.
Yeah. I don't think I'm going to do any more with the 360 camera, because that is fighting it in this wind on the.
Yeah, but you've done what you wanted to do. You wanted to see what it would do.
Yeah, I don't know how many metre that is. What do you reckon? 15 metre, 12 metre pole?
I have no idea.
Oh, it is something else, and there is some marvellous views, but I want to try and work out how to edit it all out without doing it wrong. So,
Oh, we looked at those boats before, didn't we?
Yeah.
I said how much of the boats is under the
water, yeah.
So your hand's quite cold holding that, isn't it?
No. Right, we're going to go and have a look through town, I think.
Yeah.
See if there's anything open. Right. Guess what we're doing? Can you guess?
Well, can't prove it.
We're eating again. Well, and we're in a fish and chip shop that sells red wine.
It wasn't my doing. You made me do it.
I did. I fancied a glass of red, so we're going to have a glass of red. We'll be back when the food arrives. Well, the food hasn't arrived, but
Liquid refreshment has.
it's not half bad.
Is it not?
Yeah.
Just taste it.
Have you what do you think?
Yeah, it's very accessible. Fish and chips. Like I said, I've had less for wines in wine bars.
Can you name wine bars that have been less?
That they're not couldn't possibly.
Yeah. It's with alcohol. So I'm fretting at the moment over editing footage with new software. I just know it's all going to go wrong. It's going to take forever and a day to do.
Well, keep getting mischief, won't it?
Yes, it is.
Keep you busy.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, we watched Paddington earlier. Paddington 2.
Paddington 2.
Very emotional film.
Yeah.
We're both lilies, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
A bit traumatic, I thought, for
Poor
small
Paddington,
children.
yeah.
But maybe kids are tougher than we were when we were kids. Is that giving you a warm glow?
Yeah. Is that going to make me put on weight?
Not that one small glass.
Okay. So New Year's resolution. Don't eat out so much. You made me do it.
I think this was your suggestion.
It was not. I just said look at them over there.
Rich said yesterday we're not going to have any takeouts, and then within 2 hours we were eating Chinese.
In a hotel room.
Yeah, but we did share just one dish between us.
Yeah, we did. We did. So
we don't get a big carrier bag full, do we?
No. Oh, ambulance. Ambulance.
Are you seeing ambulances wherever you go?
I am. I think that could be our food.
Could be your...
Could be our chicken potatoes. Because they've not hold it all on first and left much on. So.
Glad you're happy with it.
New Year's resolution, lose weight. Ooh.
What?
Beans on first, cheese on first. I mean, you wouldn't, would you, in any way, shape or form? Not in the same... You don't do baked beans anyway, do you?
I do baked beans. It's cheese on potato I don't do.
Why is that? What would you do first, cheese or beans?
I wouldn't do cheese at all.
Okay, so I'll do cheese first then. Because the cheese will melt. You're watching me prepare.
Check your calories.
Oh yeah, we've got to say thank you. Thank you for 100,000 views on our...
Are we still live, are we?
We are still okay. Yeah, thank you for 100,000 views on our last review video, which is really appreciated. So if you're looking for the Bluetti, go and look at our latest review video. 100,000 people have, so they must find it something like interesting.
Was this the one I wasn't in?
Yeah, you was in the Bluetti review.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Right, we're going to eat. We'll be back after eating. My jacket potato was lovely.
Hey?
My jacket potato was lovely. The wine's even nicer. Oh, go on, spill some down here.
The last mouthful normally.
Yeah.
That's generally how it happens.
2 cheeseburgers and chips with like everything in, so like fried onions and the salad and everything.
Do you have anything to say while you're eating? Ideally to the camera. Mine was lovely. The wine
It's
is
supposed to be trying to lose weight so that this wedding dress looks nice.
Oh, you look stunning. Are you all coming to the wedding?
I'll have to have another panel put in.
Are they coming to the wedding? Have you invited them?
If they want to.
Yeah. You coming along to the wedding?
Come and see what we look like.
Yeah. Come along. Come and see us. We are.
You're going to be a blubbering wreck, you said?
Yeah, we'll be a blubbering wreck. Hopefully, we'll be live. Not a live. Hopefully, we'll be live on a day. Oh, evening. Oh, hang on a minute. Let me show you something.
14th century.
14th century.
No, I'm 5'2".
Yeah.
Very small for us.
Oh, look at it. In the window. Look at that. Look, I don't know if you can see it. Look.
I was looking more at the shells.
Yeah, sorry, I was just looking at the...
The shells all the way in it now.
Oh, shells. I don't know if you can see it because it's very late.
A little high up it is, I think.
Yeah. Right. Well, we did eating, and Now we're out and about again. We've just seen. Oh dear.
What?
Oh,
What are you doing?
the light just went off. I don't know why.
I liked it.
The light just went off. Yeah. We've just seen someone come on with a carry bag. Was it food or not?
Well, I think it was from a sparrow shop.
Oh, this is not good. I think I might have a flat battery on
On your light.
on my light.
Is it not light enough?
No, it just keeps cutting out.
No, I meant without the light.
No, it's not. It's not. So, anyway, so it's night time. And now we're out and about in Ilfracombe.
This is even older.
Kitchen closed on a Wednesdays, Monday to Sunday, 5:30 to 8:30. They might do food.
1360.
Yeah. So, well, I'm just.
I don't know if I want the meal.
Are you sure? Oh, I don't want to. No, I'm going to knock the dog over. Yeah. So, all we seem to have done today is eat. But it is a bit windy, isn't it? It's not as windy as it was, admittedly. It's a bit lighter up here as well. So yeah, so we've just had a few days away in Ilfracombe because we decided we need to get out of it. There are some kiddie winks coming down the road.
Into a shop.
They've been to the shop, which means there must be stuff in the town. So the answer to that is go up into the town and have a look.
Yeah, believe it or not, I don't really feel like the meal.
The meal, no. I mean, I could do with a snack, but it's just finding somewhere to get a snack. I mean, yeah, I'm guessing up in the main town there's got to be a spa or something or other. So
This is nice. Nice walk.
what do you sum up our day?
Lazy.
Yeah.
Absolutely, unashamedly lazy. Which is exactly what we needed.
Sum up my injuries.
Self-inflicted.
Right. Yeah.
So,
There you go.
And, oh, down there.
No, I think if we just keep going up
No,
here,
I
we're going.
wasn't going to go down there.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. So I'm out of breath already.
what a lovely place this is.
Yeah. So we have looked around. I've used a new camera.
Oh, we've been in and out, haven't we?
Yeah. Done some editing, which wasn't as bad as I thought. Still going to take some getting used to. You'll see it in the video.
I've watched some rubbish on the telly.
Yeah.
I've had a little sleep.
Yeah.
I think I fell asleep.
Yeah. You did. You're not feeling too great, are you, girl?
No, not really.
So, right. Oh, and the light's gone out again. So,
You don't want to do this.
hang on a minute. We'll be back in a second. Right. Back in the room. Back in the room.
Well,
Back in the room. Oh, this is not our most flattering angle, is it? Really? But
not really.
no. Well, we've been out. We went for a walk, as you saw, and the light kept going off because it was going flat.
So we abandoned the mission,
So
didn't
we abandoned the mission, got back, stuck a little bit of charge in the light, and now we're here. So anyway, this has been our little look around Ilfracombe.
It's bigger than I imagined.
Yeah.
I've never been here before, but there's quite a lot of shops. There's quite a lot of, if you wanted to wander in like the shops, there's a day's worth, isn't there?
Yeah. I mean, I must admit, we sort of last time we came, we just stuck in a harbour room, didn't we?
Yeah. We didn't go up the high street.
No.
There's quite a lot of, like as I say, it's quite a long high street, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway,
Oh, right, I've got a bit of food off this.
we've just had pizza and spicy spuds. So,
This is our healthy start to the year, isn't it?
yeah, it's not really gone to plan, is it?
No, but then we are away.
Yeah.
Well, I had a child's meal at lunchtime,
Yeah.
and we are sharing a pizza now, aren't we?
Yeah, it's only a small pizza.
So we're trying to cut down the volume rather than what we eat, really.
Yeah, I
think
agree.
that's-
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway,
Right. Hopefully, if you've liked the video, then
give us a thumbs up,
if you don't already,
then subscribe.
and
Ring the bell for notifications. What are you doing? Ring the bell for notifications.
Excellent stuff. Right, we'll be back in our next one. I don't know when that is, or where it is, or what it is, or where we're going. We might be back in London yet, we don't know.
Oh well, watch your space.
Watch your space. So, right, back soon. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.